Hi, I'm the Shark Clip, a camera clamp from photographyandcinema.com. I'm uniquely designed to hold things like small cameras, phones, mics, and even monitors. My mouth can open up to over 3 inches, and the inside is coated with a rubber padding, which helps secure anything I clamp down on. I feature a metal /20 threaded adapter and metal spring, which is strong yet still easy to open. The rest of me is made from high quality plastic, so I'm lightweight. When I'm added to other gear from PNC, I'm even more useful. I can do cool things like this. Ooh, or this. And this. Ooh, look! That's me. Sweet. I'm the Shark Clip Camera Clamp, and you can find out more about me and other useful camera accessories at photographyandcinema.com.